Okay, so today we are learning the last method of solving, which is by elimination. Our test will be next Tuesday. So, a method for solving systems of equations by adding or subtracting to eliminate a variable. Okay. So my first step is to make sure that my equations are lined up in the same form. Typically, we like this being standard form. Which is ax plus by equals c. Okay, then I'm going to add or subtract my equations to eliminate the variable with the common coefficients. So, in order to eliminate a variable, they need to have the same number but opposite signs. So like something like 5x and negative 5x. Okay, so then I want to solve for my remaining variable. And I want to substitute my answer into either my original equation and then solve for the other variable. So step 4 is kind of like what we've done before. We just take our answer and plug into one of our equations and solve from there. Okay, so my first question is, what is the solution to the system of equations x plus y equals 7 and 2x minus y equals 2? So notice how the coefficients for y are the same number. They're both 1, but opposite signs. Both equations are also in standard form. Okay, so I'm going to copy them down right below. And I'm going to add them together. So going straight down, I'm going to follow their signs. X plus 2x gives me 3x. Y minus y, 0, they cancel out. And then 7 plus 2, 9. So notice our letter y has been eliminated. Did you? Yeah. So, now that y has been eliminated, I want to solve for x. So I'm going to copy that equation down again. I have 3x equals 9. How do I solve this one? What am I dividing by? 3. So I get x equals 3. Am I done? I got an answer. Am I done? Why not? I still have to go solve for y. So I'm going to use substitution to find y. Remember, a solution to a system is a point given x comma y. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pick any original equation. Which one do you guys want me to do? The first one or the second one? The x plus y equals 7 or the 2x minus y equals 2? The first one? Okay. So instead of x, I'm going to plug in 3. How do I solve this? Yep. Subtract 3 from both sides, and I get y equals 4. So what is my answer? Yep, 3 comma 4. So this box is my answer. This part is like last week. Adding the two equations is what we're doing now. So I'll give you a few seconds to finish copying this down, and then there's one more I'm going to work through with you. Okay. So this one, again, I'm doing by elimination. I want to add straight down. So what's 4x minus 2x? 2y plus 2. Wait. It is a negative 2x. 4 minus 2 is 2. This is a typo. This should be a minus 2y. Yeah, so these ones cancel. And then 6 plus 18. Okay. Which equation do you want me to plug back into? Top or bottom? I heard top first. I heard top first. You can plug into the bottom and see if you get the same answer as me. Okay, 4 times 12 is? Huh? 48. Okay, then what? Yep. Someone else, what do I get? 6 minus 48. Negative 42. Y equals negative 21. And then how do I write my final answer? Okay, so it wants me to find the system to my solution to my systems of equations. But notice on this one, what's different than the last ones we did? Ah, it's frozen. What's different than on these ones than the last examples we did? They have the same signs. So when this happens, I want to use multiplication to change one or both equations to make terms with the same and opposite coefficients. So, what can I multiply by to only change the signs on an equation? You guys remember? What number just changes signs? Negative 1. So, when this is the case, I want to choose one equation and multiply it by negative 1. Okay, so which equation do you want me to multiply by negative 1, the top or bottom? Pick one. Okay, so that's going to change it to negative 3x, positive 10y, and negative 14. The bottom equation I'm going to leave alone and just rewrite. Okay, so negative 3x plus 3x is 0, those cancel out. 10y minus 9y, 1y or just y. And negative 14 plus 15, 1. Which equation do you want me to plug it into? Top? Okay. So what's 10 times 1? Negative 10. And then what do I want to do? So I got 3x equals 24. Then what? X equals okay, so I write my final answer as what?